Yeah guys, just installed a couple of minutes ago this FunnyAir stainless steel braided 79 inches shower hose which I got from the seller to show you. It has been working absolutely awesome. We get everything what we need in just this small box. Yeah, it's working here absolutely perfect. You can see really strong pressure, perfectly flowing here, absolutely no problem. You can see also absolutely no leaks here, and also no leaks here. Stop this here again, of course, so you can understand me even a little bit better. Yeah, it was super easy to add. Yeah, we are now replacing here everything from chrome to black, and the hose was the first part. After that, of course, we will replace everything else as well. Didn't even need the extra washers or the Teflon tape, which are also included. And before installing, of course, I've checked it in detail, and it made an absolutely awesome impression, especially with this pull-out braided inner tube and burst-resistant design. It comes also with this 24 coil stainless steel structure with high durability, makes it also super flexible. It's resistant to rust, corrosion, unthreading and early wear, and we can definitely see and feel the extra quality. Comes with a 360-degree swivel anti-kink design, definitely super flexible. Haven't seen any kinks, tangles, twisting, anything. And thanks to the thick braided hose, there's even some nice insulation, of course, especially against hot water. Again, was super easy to install with these standard G 1/2 inch connectors on both sides, which come even nicely protected. And so you don't have to be worried, definitely no plumber needed, no extra tools needed.